Hello everyone. So here are the takeaways from Forest Report. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, MOIFIC, on Thursday, 13th January, released the India State of Forest Report ISFR 2021. So, what is the India State of Forest Report? It is an assessment of India's forest and tree cover published every 2 years by the Forest Survey of India under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. The first survey was published in 1987 and this one is the 17th. India is one of the few countries in the world that brings out such a comprehensive and robust report every 2 years. With data compounded through wall-to-wall mapping of India's forest cover through remote sensing techniques, the ISFR is used in planning and formulation of policies in forest management as well as forestry and agroforestry sectors. So, what are the key findings? ISFR 2021 has found that the forest and tree cover in the country continues to increase with an additional cover of 15,040 square kilometers over the past 2 years. The states that have shown the highest increase in forest covers are Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha in the same order. The 5 states in the northeast, namely Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland, have all shown loss in forest cover. Mangroves have shown an increase of 17 square kilometer, while the India's total mangrove cover now becomes 4,992 square kilometer. The survey found that the 35.46% of the forest cover is prone to forest fires. Out of this, 2.81% is extremely prone, while 7.85% is very highly prone and 11.51% is highly prone. Bamboo forests have grown from 13,882 million culms, that is stems, in 2019 to 53,336 million culms in 2021. Now, what kind of forests are growing? Very dense forests have increased by 501 square kilometer. This is a healthy sign but pertains to forests that are protected and reserved with active conservation activities. The worrying part is that 1500 square kilometer decline in moderately dense forests or natural forests. The decline is in conjunction with an increase of 2600 square kilometer in open forest areas. This shows a degradation of forest in the country, with natural forest degrading to less dense open forests. Also, scrub area has increased by 5300 square kilometer, indicating the complete degradation of forest in these areas. But what explains the decline of forest cover in the northeastern states? The northeastern states account for 7.98% of the total geographical area, but 23.75% of total forest cover. While states in the northeast continues to have some of the largest forested areas, such as Mizoram, 84.5% of its total geographical area is forest, or Arunachal Pradesh, 79.3%, the two states have respectively lost 1.03% and 0.39% of their forest cover. While Manipur has lost 1.4%, Meghalaya 0.43% and Nagaland 1.88%. The report has attributed the decline in northeastern states to a spate of natural calamities, particularly landslides and heavy rains in the region, as well as to anthropogenic activities such as shifting agriculture, pressure of development activities and felling of trees. Unlike other states where forests are clearly managed by the Forest Department and state governments, the northeastern states follow a different ownership pattern, community ownership and protected tribal land, which makes conservation activities extremely challenging. For the first time, the report has assessed forest cover in tiger reserves, tiger corridors and Gir forest, which houses the Asiatic lion. The forest cover in tiger corridors has increased by 37.15 square kilometer, which is 0.32%, between 2011 to 2021, but decreased by 22.6 square kilometer, 0.04%, in tiger reserves. Buksa, Annamalai and Indravati reserves have shown an increase in forest cover, while the highest losses have been found in Kaval, Bhadra and the Sundarban reserves. Pakke tiger reserves in Arunachal Pradesh has the highest forest cover at nearly 97%. What impact has climate change had? The report estimates that by 2030, 45 to 64% of forests in India will experience the effects of climate change and rising temperatures, and forests in all states except Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Nagaland will be highly vulnerable climate hotspots. Ladakh, which has a forest cover of 0.1 to 0.2%, is likely to be the most affected. In 2019-20, 1.2 lakh forest fire hotspots were detected by the SNPP VIIRS sensor, which increased to 3.4 lakh in 2020-21. The highest number of fires were detected in Odisha, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Now the question is, how comprehensive a picture does the survey present? Experts say the survey results could be misleading as it includes plantations such as coffee, coconuts or mango and other orchids under forest cover. These plantations are distinctly different from natural forest, where 1 hectare would be home to hundreds of species of trees, plants and fauna, whereas such plantations house only one species of tree. The forest survey is carried out as an assessment of India's biodiversity, but such an overarching survey does not meet the objective, experts say. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like and share for more such content.